Remember the time when we used to have the big landline telephones? That piece of box connected to a spiral cable and then a receiver felt like wonder at that time. As technology advanced, landline telephones have become so obsolete that they are now found in the scrapyards. Hopefully, many of them are crushed and recycled. The older ones are found in antique shops too. This shows us that as far as technology is concerned, we have come a long way. Today, the world is data-driven. Data or information is the key to growth. Hence, the access and transfer of data becomes highly essential. Since this is absolutely necessary, the means to do it should be efficient too. Over a period of time, renouncing additional hardware to store and access data became quite popular. Slowly, we found Bluetooth replacing data cables while transferring data. Completely minimizing the usage of wires and cables creates less e-waste. This is the reason the world is going wireless. Cutting the clutter, going wireless. The technical definition of wireless communication is quite simple, but it sums up why it is necessary. It is simply a transfer of information between two or more points. That transfer of information is without the use of an electrical conductor or an optical fiber. The transfer is done through radio waves. Let's see the benefits we reap by going wireless. Hassle-free. The problem with wires is that they are messy. You know exactly what I'm talking about. They often get entangled and are never long enough. They break very often from connecting points. You cannot get up and go out to have a private discussion with a client since you are wired. Going wireless means you cut down this almost entirely. Everything from mouse, keyboards, printers, speakers, headphones and phones are now wireless. They are extremely easy to use and have great battery backup, thus making your life much easier. Mobility. The problem with wired devices is that there is no mobility whatsoever. This happens cumulatively with every other employee in the office. It means the collective loss of freedom of working. Going wireless allows you to roam anywhere in the office and still get range. This solution is just not restricted to the office. Since work from home is the new norm, you can work from the most comfortable corner of your home. Flexibility. Going wireless helps you when you need to change the orientation of a setup. Changing or adding a new setup is a tedious task and needs to be done with minimum hassle. But wires create hassle. There's always a possibility of wires mixing or breaking. Being in a wireless environment, though, means you don't have to waste time entangling, unplugging and plugging back. Constant innovations. With wireless, there are constantly evolving innovations and updations. Most of the time, it is related to speed and durability. When moving into wireless, you need to be considering the future. The future is just around the corner in the form of 5G. 5G shall be faster beyond comprehension, and it's time to reap the maximum benefits out of it. This new level of network connectivity is going to elevate the overall business as well. As the next generation in wireless technology, 5G promises to boost data speeds by up to 100 times. This will help in increasing revenue potential, enhance customer experience, and improve operational efficiencies. According to research, the overall consumption of data through wireless technology has increased by 131%. This goes on to show that it is really making people's lives better.